my
this?
god, oh my god, oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Be careful.
Oh my goodness.
Do you know what it is? What?
Oh.
Do you know what it is? What is it? Do you know what it is? What?
Oh.
Do you know what kind?
That's so cute.
Do you know what kind?
Pop-up.
Hmm? Go look at it. Just be careful. Be careful pulling it down.
I don't think he ever thought he was gonna. That's all he wanted.
It's just that you can let that there, buddy.
Casey are just flying.
You know that's a gas one. That's not one like Bubby's. That's not one like Bubby's. Okay. Now you know something. You want to hear a little thing? Why do you think Mommy got the helmet today?
That?
Yep.
Oh.
We're in the car. He goes, "Mommy got me a snowmobile helmet." I'm like, that's why Mommy got you the helmet. You know why you got the Turkey Hill card?
Hey, can we put it out in the middle of the floor and let
So
him
you
sit on
can
it?
use it for gas.
Put him in the middle of the floor and then get a picture of him sitting on it.
What is it, 2-stroke?
4-stroke.
Wow.
This
Oh.
goes 50 miles an hour.
I don't think you should go that fast this
That's
time.
Husky Williams. That's crazy that little thing that's pushing around.
Miles an hour.
I think it was good on that. It was cute.
Chad, are you crying?
Yeah.
He like seriously jumped up and was like,
Tom, you know when we were at Country Buffet, when I took you and Hope out to lunch that one day, and you said Alex were saving up for one. We already had it.
He goes.
He doesn't know how to act.